Hi there.
Good evening.
We decided to go for a very nice evening stroll, and just for your information, we don't meet anybody, so we can walk without a mask.
Yeah.
So we're totally fine.
And it's allowed.
It's allowed, and it's absolutely stunning. The weather is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, and we haven't been out for?
Yeah, a week.
A week.
A week, so that's absolutely nice. So we film a bit, and yeah, we enjoy it so much. The best spring evening you can ask for. We wanted to visit our little friend today, the horse, and sadly it wasn't there. Although this time we brought an apple. That's a shame. I would have loved to see him, her, I don't know. We are out on our daily walk, and again we brought an apple and see if we find the horse. It's down this country lane and it's lovely outside. It's a bit chilly today, but very sunny. It's just nice to be outside and enjoy nature. Beautiful. Hi there.
Hello.
We thought we would film whenever we go out, just to share the beauty of nature, which we all appreciate, especially now, we think. And it's stunning. It's beautiful. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hiya. And look how pretty this one is. This is like food for the soul. So today we meet these two cuties, and today we don't have an apple. Hi. Hi. You're right. Hi. You're such a beauty, aren't you? So Jörg and I are on another walk. We always go around 5:30, so it's very quiet because it's just nature surrounding us. I tend to speak even softer. I hope you don't mind. And this video will be without any music, just the sound of nature, because, well, we think you find that very soothing. I mean, we can call ourselves very lucky. Not everybody can just walk into the countryside because they live in a city, so we hope you might appreciate that and find it calming and uplifting as well, because we think of each and every one of you and, yeah, send our best, of course.
Hello.
And we just heard a pheasant. Did you spot him, Jörg?
No.
That's a shame. I'd love to film him. I love pheasants.
But I couldn't find him.
Well, maybe we'll spot another one.
Yeah.
And it would be nice to film him. Oh, heard him again.
Yeah.
Don't know where he is. And at the moment we have wisteria and bluebell season. Yeah. And usually we've made it a tradition to go to it's a wood, and there is a bluebell walk which we enjoy every year, but it's on a castle ground, so we can't go there. No. Can you see the bluebells? I don't know if you can spot them. It's bluebell season now. Well, we hope you liked this video. There wasn't a lot of editing, it's just to bring you the sounds and beauty of nature. And this walk is amazing. I mean, it's not over yet. It's amazing.
No,
I enjoy this so much. What do you say?
it's really relaxing.
Yeah, it's relaxing. It's a very long walk, but nice. And we also got our webcam last week, and we tried to install it this week. And then you will see it. You will see when we set up a live stream.
Yeah.
And stay tuned for that. Stay safe.
And take care of yourself.
And take care, yes. Of course, we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.